Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session. So, children, for the past few days, we have been learning about the village panchayat. Yesterday, we have seen how this village panchayat gets the funds from. So, from the state government, from the central government, how do they get the funds we have seen. And apart from that, they also can impose the house tax as well as agricultural cess and land cess, that is. So, from this also they earn little money, but that is not sufficient for the developmental activities. And even under the MNERGI also, the village panchayat will receive the funds which will be used for the developmental activities of the village. Today, let us see about one of the Adarsha Gramam, that is called Hazipalli, and the Sarpanch, how she has transformed that village into a successful entrepreneurship or into a successful working model. Let us see today, that is Hajipalli. Hajipalli, वो गांव का नाम क्या है? Hajipalli है. Hajipalli is a small village in Rangareddy district. Okay. किधर है ये? रंगारेड्डी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है. रंगारेड्डी डिस्ट्रिक्ट. डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स मालूम है नहीं आपको? हाउ मेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आर देयर इन द स्टेट? हमारा स्टेट कौन सा है? तेलंगाना है चिल्ड्रन. हमारा स्टेट जो है तेलंगाना है और तेलंगाना में 33 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है और ये 33 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में रंगारेड्डी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है एक. सो ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हजीपली बोले सो विलेज है. वो विलेज का सरपंच का नाम जो है जंगम्मा. उसका नाम सरपंच का नाम है जंगम्मा. And she has led the panchayat to build the concrete drainages and roads and underground drains. ऊपर का नहीं होता, underground drains were built. She persuaded all the villagers to build latrines in their houses. आजकल ये तो मूवमेंट बन गया स्वच्छ भारत से. ओके, टॉयलेट्स बना लेना. हर गांव में हर घर को एक टॉयलेट रहना ज़रूरी है और इसके ऐड भी चला रहा था आजकल. Isn't it? Vidya Balan was showing. Isn't it? I am not talking about Harpic ad. I am talking about the self-respect to the woman. Okay. So this kind of movement got started even in this village. They have built schools, Anganwadi centers and Gram Panchayat office also. A building has been constructed. The Panchayat and her leadership built water storage tanks to provide drinking water to the entire village. And apart from this, the village has an underground drainage सिस्टम लाइक द सिटी में भी नहीं है. हमारा वारंगल में तो अंडरग्राउंड ड्राइनेज नहीं है. ओके, अगर बारिश हुआ तो कैसे हो रहा, रोडों के बारे में, नाला के बारे में तो आपको मालूम है, मगर वो गांव में अंडरग्राउंड ड्राइनेज है. सो मोर देन वारंगल इट इज़ प्रेजेंट. So there are many insured members are there who are eligible for the benefits of the schemes of government. And in recognition of all these efforts, Hazipalli received a Shubram Award. Shubram बोल के एक अवार्ड है, वो उसको नवंबर 2008 में मिला था and from the state government. And even they also have won Nirmala Grama Puraskar in December 2008. And this Nirmala Grama Puraskar is received from the President of India. Then President of India was श्रीमती प्रतिभा पाटिल. उसके हाथों से ये अवार्ड विन हुआ था. और अब जो प्रेसिडेंट है वो रामनाथ कोविंद है. डोंट फॉरगेट दैट वन. एंड how these villages which conduct the are there any villages which conduct the Grama Sabha successfully? There are many villages which conduct the Grama Sabha successfully and involving the people and participating them in the developmental activities. In Telangana, हमारे वरंगल के very nearby, हमारे नज़दीकी एक विलेज है, उसका नाम है गंगादेवपल्ली. Even Chief Minister also had visited that village, गंगादेवपल्ली. वो भी एक आदर्श ग्रामम है in state. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट रामचंद्रापुरम बोल के और एक गांव है किधर करीमनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में. एंड अंकापुर ऑफ निज़ामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट आर सम ऑफ द सक्सेस स्टोरीज है. हजीपल्ली के जैसे इधर भी सरपंच बहुत अच्छे काम करके गांव को बहुत सुंदर बनाया, रोड्स दिलाया और पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स हर घर को टॉयलेट्स बनवाया. And they made the people to participate in the developmental activities of the village. For that reason, these all are the success stories. Ankapur in Nizamabad, Ramachandrapuram in Karimnagar, Gangadevpalli in Warangal, Hazipalli in Rangareddy district are the village panchayat success stories. And you might have similarly in other states, if you see Hiware Bazar in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra is a good example where they started storing or percolating the water for the last 20 years and they have achieved very good results. And if you see the Gangadevpalli Panchayat, here there are different committees for the sake of sanitation, health and communications and drinking water. There are different committees are there for different panchayat functions. and these committees are providing services to the villagers. This village has attained 100% enrollment in schools. कोई बच्चा काम को नहीं जाता, स्कूल को ही जाता. That is 100% enrollment in the schools is there, and this village is also 100% literate village है. They have supply of drinking water to all families. Observance of family planning जो है, ओके 2 से ख़त्म कर देते हैं. एलिजिबल कपल्स को फैमिली प्लानिंग भी करवाते. Vaccination of all children will be done in the village. 100% families are enrolled in bank saving schemes. सभी लोगों को एक अकाउंट तो जरूर रहती है, इसीलिए तो जनधन योजना बोल के प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने इंट्रोड्यूस करा था. टोटल सैनिटेशन इन द विलेज इज डन एंड कंप्लीट बैन ऑन द कंजप्शन ऑफ द लिकर. ये विलेज में लिकर बेचना नहीं है. बहुत सारे गांव में बेल्ट शॉप्स बोल के रहते हैं, नहीं तो वाइन शॉप्स बोल के रहते हैं, मगर इधर ओके कंजप्शन ऑफ अल्कोहल इज कंप्लीटली बैंड. So every village would definitely find a role at least in one of the 18 committees, and any issue of the development of a village will be discussed in the Grama Sabha, and all are bound by the resolutions passed in the Grama Sabha. So this is the end of the lesson called as Village Panchayat and the Shubram Awadi Jangama story. And apart from that, how the Gangadevpalli has rose to the present Adarsha Gramam also we have seen. And tomorrow I'll come back with a new lesson, children. Thank you.